How to fix Chrome redirects. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Chrome redirects. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over open Chrome and then you're going to click on the three dots at the top right. Here, you're going to scroll down till you find the option of settings. And then you're going to head over to the left hand side and search for the option of reset settings. But if you're not able to find the setting, you'll be able to see an option of advanced. Click on that and you should see the setting of reset settings. So you're going to click on it and you should see this option that says restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it and you'll be able to see this action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. So you can simply click on reset settings and after that Chrome will be reset with its default settings. And now your issue would be resolved. So that was how you can fix Chrome redirects. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.